Hello everyone, it's Hope and welcome back. Why do I keep calling myself Hope? I don't really want to do it anymore. I don't know why. It's just I don't have a reason to call myself Hope. Maybe because I like it, I don't know. But I'm gonna do a redo on my Puppy Plays book collection. So I am missing a few books, but these are the ones that I have here with me right now. Now I'm doing these in order. Now I don't have all of them, meaning I'm not doing it in exact order. Goldie was the first one. Snowball was the second one. It says it right there. Right here. Rascal. I don't have Shadow, but Shadow's the third one. Rascal's the fourth one. Buddy's the fifth one. I don't have Flash, which is the sixth one. Scout is the seventh. Maggie and Max is the 10th, meaning I'm missing Patches, but I have Patches. And I don't know where Pugsley is. I may not even have Pugsley, but I feel like I have Pugsley. But Pugsley's the 9th. Flash is the 8th. Maggie and Max is the 10th. Cody's the not the 11th. 13th. The 11th is Noodle. The 12th is Princess. The 13th is Cody. Bear's the 14th. I think Lucky's the 17th. Or is it Chewy and Chica? I think maybe Lucky's the 16th, Chewy and Chica is the 17th, or Chewy and Chica is the 18th or 19th. Coco's the 20th. Rocky is like the 21st, 22nd, or 23rd. Teddy's, I feel like the 25th. Mocha is a cute dog. Mocha, I think Mocha might be the 25th. And Teddy's the 23rd. Oscar, I have no idea. Molly, I have no idea. Nope. Turn it on. Turn the pile upside down. Gizmo, I have no idea. Zipper, I have no idea, but he's in the 30s. Cooper, I have no idea. Stella, I feel like is the 38th. Stella. Sorry if you guys didn't see them. Boomer, I have no idea, but he is so cute. He is a mixed breed puppy. That's all it says right now. I'm going to smear my makeup for my eye itches. Daisy, I feel like Daisy might be the 38th. Gus, 39th. Definitely know that one. Sugar Gummy Lollipop is my first and only hardback. Nala. Bonita, whatever you guys want to call her name. I have no idea. I call her Bonita. Bonita. Champ. By the way, just pause the video because I'm probably not showing you guys it because I have only a certain amount of time that I'm not using because I'm going too fast. So sorry if I didn't get to show you all of them. I made a video about doing my makeup, but it didn't save. I even click the save button and it did not save and I got so mad. Champ. which is a German Shepherd. Same with Scout, Bubbles and Boo, Lola. Lola is a French Bulldog. Angel's in the 40s. Not age, the 40th, in the 40s or in the books. I have no idea how to say its name, but it's cute. The last two, a German short-haired pointer named Jake. Bitsy, is so small. A tiny teacup, Morky. It's a Morky. So yeah, that's my Puppy Place book collection. Mine is like 3, 4, 2. Because I'm missing those. I know my friend Ariana that moved to Ohio gave me 2, and I'm missing like 1 or 2. I don't know. But yeah, like, subscribe if you haven't already, and comment down below what you'll want to see. See you guys in the next video. Goodbye.